now discussing our week 8 video, is it?
Yeah.
For our Lex 2024. So last week we were discussing about our main theme, our topic, which is
either
cycling
or cyberbullying.
Yeah. So any suggestion that or subtopic that you would like to
Discuss?
add on or yeah.
Yeah, come. You pick a talk.
Okay, I have a subtopic on recycling. Okay, the impact of recycling, how recycle help the environment. Okay, it can be by when we apply the recycle, so we can reduce landfill. Okay, because landfill, the more waste is put on the landfill, so the biggest problem will happen. And also we can reduce energy consumption. It's by we can use less energy than manufacturing product from virgin source. It means that either we make it produce product, so we can recycle what we have in our.
I think I understand what you're talking about. Is it like we produce less paper?
Yes.
Produce less paper, but we use recycled paper instead of a new paper from a new tree, right?
It can less the production of manufacturing. And then we also can decrease the pollution, because of this is relate with the landfill, because when it's too much waste on the landfill, so it can produce gas that will affect our environment.
So yours is like air pollution, right?
Yes. Air pollution.
What about you?
Me?
And you? Or you want to change the topic also can?
Actually, I just found a few cases on cyberbullying. The latest one would be in 2012. Amanda Todd, if you ever heard of her, she's actually released a month before she killed herself. She actually told her story in YouTube. I don't know whether the video is still in YouTube or not, but basically she told her story, how she is being cyberbullied online, and how people harass her, and actually it leads to depression, and she actually self-harm, and she has been suffering that for since she was 13. She killed herself when she was 17. So it's like 4 years she suffered, and then she decided to end her life like that. So for me, if we take one of these cases, maybe we can educate the society about what you should be careful of, what you said online. It can hurt people. It is not usually a short-term base. Sometimes it can hurt people for a long time, and it could lead to suicidal thoughts. So
I think you have a good point, but what about the subtopic? How to like the theme is cyberbullying, right?
Yeah.
What about the subtopic that you can talk about this example?
Maybe
Effect.
Yeah.
So we can talk about long-term effect.
Effect.
Yeah.
Just effect
In
or
some cases that which what is mean by cyberbullying, those the thoughts that you say on the words on the line there, or your action online that you or your action in the daily life, like you bullying someone, but someone shooting the incidents and post it online. This kind also is one of the cyberbullying. Yeah. So one is for the subtopic, I can think that one is the the mode, the type of cyberbullying, the effects of them. They maybe need to have undergo counseling, but some of them didn't have the correct way to seek for consultant to to solve their problems, and that's why we might lose a life.
Due to the cyberbullying.
Yeah, but I just can think about these two subtopics.
So the subtopic for the cyberbullying is effect, maybe effect and
the
sorry,
types
types of cyberbullying. What about ways to prevent this cyberbullying? It's kind of hard, right?
Yeah, it's just maybe like some maybe on the back of a video, if you choose this title, so maybe at the back there you just have a line that why you need to be so meaningful.
I
Be
think
careful with your act in the daily life and online. Yourself or
I
whatever.
think if compared to the recycle type topic, right, the cyberbullying is kind of hard to make a video about it.
To explain out
Yeah.
to the audience.
Cause it's like it's not very general. It's like the data is very less, but we have more examples, so we cannot write a very guided thing. What about you?
I think I would more prefer with the recycling. Maybe it's just like more near to our real life. Maybe just like the way of recycling. The simple act like we didn't use quite many plastic bag or prevent to use it when can. And then maybe recycle all the like aluminium tin, aluminium tin, and bottles, glass bottle, and plastic. Actually, I think that it's very important because every time we use, after we use, we just throw it away, and then actually it's can recycling again and again, and like that we can prevent, like just now we saying, we can prevent the manufacturing.
Yeah, other than that, do you guys found out there's a girl, I think she's from America. She just found out that there's one chemical they can use to combust plastic. So now they say that plastic can be dissolved.
Recycling,
Not exactly, like they can like
Reuse.
burn out. They've just found out. She's the first. I think this is a very interesting topic, so we can state out that in reality there's really have a chemical thing to dissolve the plastic. What do you think?
I think at Japan, they already have the machine. I'm not sure the machine or the place that if we throw the rubbish, it just burn.
It burns out.
It burns out. Immediately burn. Immediately burn.
Does it include plastic?
I think it include plastic. But I'm not sure it's a machine or what. But I think the machine. We just throw and then it burn. And then maybe it's produce something new from the rubbish.
That means also like recycle or reuse, right?
But basically Japan has the
Latest technology.
no, they got efforts in separating their rubbish.
So they are the first country.
No, but they undergo this policy quite a long time, so they will usually separate their rubbish into the recyclable stuff and non-recyclable stuff like foods, the leftover, and some others is the recyclable like papers, newspapers, those kind of things. So I think it's possible for Japan to like burn the things efficiently, but not in our country because we still didn't decompose separating our rubbish. So if we decompose, you
And
just
maybe-
burn it out the stuff, maybe
Maybe our technology is not that
so.
we can stress,
advanced yet.
maybe if you want to do it for the recycling video, in our video we can like what of the efforts that we can do in
the
daily
way.
life in the recycling way. So just like separating the rubbish, make it a habit, or bring the recycle bags during the shopping malls. Even though in KL area here is only not provided the plastic bags on a Sunday, on the weekends. So we can just like every day we
Bring our own paper bag.
recyclable bag or recycle bag, this kind of things.
Bring the Tupperware when buying foods and all.
Yeah, without using the polystyrene. What about you?
Yeah, I also agree that the recycling topic is very interesting for our next PSA video because as many of you say that we will say about the ways to recycling, is it? And then also talk about the I think yours is most about the benefits or impact about
Benefit of recycling.
I'm so sorry to disturb.
I'm sorry, we are.
I'm so
and besides that I think that we can also talk about the negative effects if we are not recycling. Like what will happen if we really don't really ignore about the recycling and what happened to our earth and also the importance of the recycling. And this is a bit similar to the benefits because most people that they think that they know they want to recycle but they don't know why they need to recycle those things.
That means you are talking about disadvantages of
No,
not
actually it's
recycling.
benefits. Let them have the awareness to know why we are recycling to protect the earth. So the subtopic is like benefits of recycling, ways to effect and
Waste.
ways to
Wait. Importance and the advantages is the same, right?
I think can be the same.
same right.
So advantages, effect,
Effect, ways, and we still left one subtopic. Any ideas to
Type of subs.
Sorry?
Type of
Recycling.
no, type of recycling. I mean,
Can you give some examples?
I think it's like
plastic, water,
those
chemical.
But it's like example more than a subtopic.
or we need to include like types of like this recycle bin is orange color. What is it for? Types. Can we differentiate something like that? Or that's
No, it's not like a subtopic. It's like still example.
I think maybe a section we can put the facts, the recycling facts like how many tons of paper produced, cut off how many trees. Then we just raise their awareness, and they will see that the problem is so serious but we don't know.
So it's like awareness.
Put
Or
the
just facts. It's like from or for the example lah. It's like right.
I think the facts of recycling.
Maybe the facts of recycling you can put it at the back.
I think from at the front, like
In the front.
at the front.
you should start with the facts of the recycling.
and then we will start telling the importance of recycling
And benefits.
and then benefits and then effect ways to prevent the last one, right?
Maybe.
So we have these 4 subtopics. The one is effects of recycling, the benefits of recycling, ways to recycle, and also the effects of recycling. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will stick our team.
I want to ask.
Yeah.
Effect of we didn't recycling.
It's
yeah.
maybe it's an effect not recycling. It's not effect of
not
recycling, right?
recycling.
Because it's like
Effect
quite
of not
confusing.
recycling, right?
Uh,
It will be more suitable. Or what is the
environment?
It's quite same like the importance of and the benefits of recycling because the point will be at the end like same. If I'm not
I
mistaken.
think just now what I understand you just say is the effect of if we do not
I think I'm talking about the negative one,
Ah, yeah,
and the
negative one.
benefits is about the positive one.
Yeah. So
Maybe
there's
it's like advantages and disadvantages.
yeah.
Maybe.
And this
So
one
it's
is
like
more clear.
so awareness, advantages, disadvantages, and ways.
Ways to
The ways will be
recycle.
put at the back.
Yeah. I think this main four subtopics will be sufficient for us to make the next video, PSA video. So anything you would like to add on?
Do we have to separate? I mean, group.
Divide.
Divide ourselves to whose subtopic?
Yeah. So the facts of recycling,
I think I can.
Mandy and the other person, Bien, and also about the second subtopic is advantage of recycling. Who will be in charge?
Advantages.
Shirin.
Advantages.
Shirin and what?
Shaira.
Shaira. So the other one is a disadvantages.
So maybe
Me,
Noja.
Emmy.
Okay. So left two of us in a way.
For the
Okay.
ways to recycle. Yeah. So that makes 4 subtopics and
Yeah.
2 of us will be in charge for each subtopic.
Yes.
So next week we will be discussing for the related subtopics, right?
Yeah. About the points in the subtopic.
Yeah. Okay.
So we already fixed the topic as
Recycle.
the
recycling.
recycling,
Yeah.
just recycling, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because we
okay.
talk about many things inside.
Include inside, right?
Yeah.
So it's no longer importance of recycling, but
No.
recycle.
We are very general.
It's like a general topic, right?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
We forget to introduce ourselves.
we can't introduce
so
ourselves.
last. Okay.
So I'm Shaira.
I'm Farhana.
I'm Shirin.
I'm Jingwen.
I'm Ziqing.
I'm Vivian.
I'm Wendy.
So
End of video.
end of video. Thank you.